Okay, so reverse engineering project managers. You are going to have a slightly different responsibility. So you're going to be working to get your cars assembled together. And if you're able to, you're going to make any changes that you need to a part to make it assemble to your car. So, for example, if this wheel did not fit on the car, I would try to make some changes to it. I might need to go into the car part and modify some dimensions to make it fit to the rest of the car. So that's going to keep you pretty busy. If you get stuck on assembling the car or making changes to it, you may need to refer to some of your team members to help with any parts that they made. You can ask them to make changes, or you can handle those changes yourself. If you get stuck with the project completely, you can go ahead and move on to the button maker project and work on assembling base subassembly A, which is this one, and then the lower die subassembly, which is this one. Those are the only two subassemblies that you are responsible for creating for the button maker project, since you're going to be busy part of the time with your reverse engineering project assembly. Once you get your car properly assembled, you're going to go through the rest of the assembly instruction process that we went over with the puzzle cube. You're going to create an exploded view of the car showing how all the pieces go together, and then you're going to create an assembly diagram in the drawing file showing with the balloons and parts list showing what the pieces are and how many of them there are in your assembly. And then you'll be done with the car project. Make sure you save all the files in the same folder so you're keeping everything together. And we'll talk more about the presentation, the slides for the project in the next class.